Uh, well, the reason I called this press conference.
Mr. President,
Good afternoon.
while it is true na Constitution,
I'm sure that the parties that filed the impeachment cases felt strongly about it, and despite my importunings and expressing my opinion that we really would rather not have the impeachment, they continue to do that. So, it's not defiance. May ganyan ang kanilang paniniwala. Sa kanilang paniniwala, kailangan na kailangan gawin ito. The House has no choice. They have to proceed with the impeachment complaint. The Senate now has no choice. They have to try the impeachment complaint. So making pakiusap, doing that, it won't change anything. It won't change anything. They still have to have a trial.
So kung may mangyayari mang aksyon o kaganapan kaugnay nito, yan ay mangyayari sa June 2, pag-resume ng Senado, matapos ang eleksyon by maintaining the credibility and impartiality of the impeachment court, which is what I'm trying to do beginning today. Again, without fear nor favor, nang walang pinapaboran, nang walang kinikitilang karapatan, gagampan na namin yung aming tungkulin.